In this video, I'm going to share with you a budget setup for recording quality videos using your smartphone for under £100. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Tony from O4G Media. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to leverage the power of video to grow your brand or business, then start by subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. If you want to achieve high quality videos for your content, you would need one of this. Well, not anymore, because we've got our smartphones. You can use your phone to achieve similar results as you would on a standard camera. Adding a few accessories to your phone will improve the look and the sound of your videos. Let me explain. Right now, as I stand in front of the camera, you can see my face clearly because I'm being lit up by a light source. If I were to turn that off right now, it's dark and you can't see my face clearly.
Look what I have created! I have made fire!
We need light. The next thing that will help improve your video is good quality audio. Audio is a crucial part of your setup. It's as important as the video itself because it plays a vital role in the experience your viewers will have when they consume your content. Right now, I am mic'd up so you can hear me clearly. If I were to rely on the onboard microphone on my camera, then there will be a difference in the quality of the audio that you're hearing. So make sure whenever you're recording your videos, you have a good microphone to capture all your audio. The next thing you need will be some sort of stabilization to keep your camera or phone in place. To achieve this, we'll need a tripod. Now, tripods come in different shapes and sizes, some meant specifically for cameras and some specifically for smartphones. For our setup, I'm going to be using a smartphone handheld stabilizer that you can also put on a tripod for you to go hands-free. So to record a high quality video, we've established that we need good light, audio, and a stabilizer. And you can build a setup just like this to achieve that. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to take a look at these items that I've mentioned here. For this basic setup, I have a light, microphone, and the smartphone to record, all attached to a stabilizer. So here is the Godox LED 36, which is powered by 2 batteries, lovely little light, and it does the job perfectly for you. This is the RØDE VideoMicro with the cable attached into my iPhone. Now, I like this setup a lot because I'm able to record in selfie mode, or I can mount it on a tripod and record hands-free. So, a quick question. What are you currently using to record yourself? Is it a camera or a smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. With that basic setup, you can achieve a great result when you're recording yourself using your smartphone at any given time. Be on the lookout for my next video where I go into camera settings on your smartphone that will enhance your recording experience. And until then, take care. God bless.